Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching Times Now, and top of this broadcast we are tracking developments coming in from the Mahakumbh Mela, where a fire has broken out at one of the tents. Understandably, it has led to chaos, but as we speak, within minutes, 30 fire tenders were rushed to the spot. The blaze has now been brought under control. You can see the contrast in the two images that are playing out on your screens right now. On the left-hand side of your screen is the tent where that fire broke out. The preliminary information that is emerging from grounds suggests that this could have been because of a couple of cylinders exploding. Remember, these tents have arrangements made for cooking food for those who are staying there. There are bhandaras, there are langars that are going on. On the other side, you see within minutes of the first information coming in of a fire breaking out, we have fire being doused. There are local volunteers. There were 30 fire tenders who were rushed to the spot. My colleagues on the ground are getting us all the developments. So, Rishabh, what more can you add to the information? I will get our reporters to get us some more details over there. You can see the visuals that are playing out on your screens of the fire that initially broke out. The cops have now come out to give a statement. They say that this fire broke out at around 4 p.m. It was near a railway bridge where one cylinder is said to have exploded. This is the ADG Bhanu Bhaskar who is giving out the official version.
कंट्रोल किया गया वो अपने आप में बहुत ही आश्चर्यजनक है। पूरी तैयारी के साथ हमारे फायर फाइटर्स की टीम, देखिए मैं यहीं पर मौजूद हूँ ग्राउंड जीरो से हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। आप हटिए, अच्छा हटिए, देखिए ये तस्वीरें, देखिए ये तस्वीरें आप देखिए जहाँ फायर फाइटर्स की टीम लगातार काम कर रही है। इतनी मुस्तैदी से हमारी टीम जो काम कर रही है वो दिखाना बहुत जरूरी है कि कैसे इतनी जल्दी इस आग पर काबू पाया गया, और ये बताता है कि कितना बेहतरीन होमवर्क ये जो टीमें हैं वो पहले से करके इन्होंने रखा हुआ था, और पूरी मुस्तैदी की वजह से ही आग इतनी तेजी के साथ जो फैली उतनी तेजी के साथ इसे कंट्रोल कर लिया गया। बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट उसी लोकेशन पर हम मौजूद है। टाइम्स ऑफ भारत की सिर्फ इकलौती टीम है यहाँ पर जो आपको ये तस्वीरें दिखा रही है। देखिए अब धुएं को भी पूरी तरह से खत्म करने की जो कोशिश है वो टीमों की तरफ से की जा रही है। धुआं अब बस थोड़ा थोड़ा निकल रहा है, आग पूरी तरह से बुझ चुकी है और हम आ चुके हैं ठीक उस लोकेशन पर जहां ये आग तेजी के साथ फैली और अब आग बुझा ली गई है। बहुत जल्दी आप लोगों ने आग पर काबू पाया। किस तरह से ये आपने आग?
तब भी सर ये फायर सर्विस के लिए हम कर्मचारी, इसके लिए हमें ट्रेनिंग दी गई, सीख लिया है और इसको आगे कंट्रोल कर लिया गया है। अब कोई यहाँ हादसा नहीं हुआ है, न कोई चीज बचा गया है। बहुत
तो ये देखिए तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। जो लोग, ये लड़का जो है हम आपको दिखाते हैं, ये हीरो आप कह सकते हैं। उस लड़के ने देखिए कैसे अपनी जान की परवाह न करते हुए फौरन खबर दी, लोगों को बाहर निकाला। क्या बताइए
मैं यहाँ पे आग लगी।
Right, so our reporter on the ground there, right where this cylinder is said to have exploded. The first official version has also come out. Like I was telling our viewers earlier, there was a cylinder blast that took place near a railway bridge. My colleague Rishabh is back on the line with us while the fire has been controlled. Rishabh, are there any casualties?
So you can see, Priya, right now on ground, what you are seeing right now are the members of Fire Department of Uttar Pradesh, the UP Fire Services, as well as the NDRF, SGRF, the Rapid Action Forces. All of them are here who are right now trying to douse this fire. What we are given to understand that around 4 p.m. this evening, the fire began in one of the kitchens of this akhada, and that led to engulfment of the whole area. And you can see the ruins right now. Nothing is left. We can confirm to our viewers that we heard the cylinders being exploded. That has now been confirmed by the authorities on ground as well. As of now, there hasn't been any report on whether anyone was injured or has there been any casualty. The authorities maintain that it will later be seen. Right now, the focus is on dousing the fire here. You can see the senior officials of UP Police, UP Fire Services coming out here. Sir, how much time will it take Sir, how many fire tenders are here?
More than 20.
More than 20. And sir, any casualty? So you can see more than 25 tenders is what we are given to understand by the officials. I'll ask my camera person to show you a 360 view. The authorities are also trying to look at the whole area using the drones as well. All the people who were here were removed instantly by the authorities. The authorities were swift to address the initial fire tenders, reached quite within like 4 to 5 minutes of the fire, but the fire was such that and the area was such that more and more fire tenders were required, Priya. And now you can see on the other side as well toward Ganga, where the smoke is still coming out. There are few here and there flames that are left, so we cannot say that the fire has been doused as of now. There are few flames here and there that can be still seen here. Right now the cooling process of the whole area, as the fire services call it, is happening, and you can see around you right now the commotion. Authorities ensuring that everything is under control as soon as possible. Over to you.
Nath has himself taken stock of the situation. He has been speaking to the top officials earlier in the day. He was there. Yes, you're speaking to the people around. Listen in.
For UPFS, sir, how do you see this fire? What was the reason?
In fact, it was because of the blast in the cooking cylinder. There were 3 cylinders there, and there were barrack type hot mints were there. In 8, they were in longitude row. So one of the cylinder blasted, and it was followed by other cylinders blasted. So fire got out of control in no time. So UP Fire Services tenders were rushed, and we brought it under control. There is no human casualty, and the adjacent, all the camps have been saved because of the urgent action by the department, and there is no human loss.
So any estimate on how many people were there in this camp which has been affected?
Well, it's a floating population. We can't say. How many people could have been there, but by rough estimate, there could have been 30-40 people around.
So can we now say safely that the fire has been doused?
Yeah, fire
cooling process is
doused. Yeah, exactly. And we are looking for if there is somebody trapped or some human remains is not there. We are just cross-checking it.
So you heard it here. This was Aman Sharma, DCP for the UP Fire Services, telling us that right now the fire has been doused, but the fire services are still cooling down the area. There hasn't been any casualty that can be reported as of now. There is no casualty, is what the fire services have confirmed to Times. So this was the first reaction that has come in from the fire services. Now, what we are given to understand that it was a floating population. And now the services that you're seeing on your screens right now, Priya, they're trying to ascertain that no one is trapped inside, and the whole area, there's not an iota or any single flame of fire left. And that's the reason that you can see the watering of this area still continues, the cooling of this area.
घायल होने की सूचना नहीं है। अफवाह पे कोई ध्यान ना दे। कुछ लोग अफवाह उड़ा सकते हैं, अफवाह पे ध्यान ना दें। ऐसी कोई बात नहीं। आपके सामने आप ही देख सकते हैं, आग पे काबू पा लिया गया। हमारी करीब 12 गाड़ियां यूपी पुलिस की, जिन्होंने फायर ब्रिगेड के मौके पर पहुंच गई और आग पे काबू पा लिया गया। मैं इतना ही आपको बता सकता हूँ। और बाकी चीजें आपको यहाँ पे गीता प्रेस का बेसिकली ये टेंट था, ये अखाड़े का टेंट था, गीता प्रेस। थैंक यू। 19 सेक्टर 19 महाकुंभ मेला क्षेत्र का। हाँ मैम बता दिया, प्लीज बता दिया मैम, आपको बता दिया। हाँ अभी मैम बता ही नहीं जा सकते क्यों लगी। अभी हम लोग कारणों का पता लगाएंगे, उसके बाद आपको बताएंगे। थैंक यू। सेक्टर 19 कुंभ मेला क्षेत्र, प्लीज। यहाँ पे गीता प्रेस का ये टेंट्स थे। थैंक यू। 15 फायर टेंडर्स मैम, यहाँ पे यूपी पुलिस की टीम्स हैं। थैंक यू।
So you saw cops there, both from the UP police as well as from the fire services. We've got reactions coming in from them. To sum it up quickly once again for our viewers, there is a fire that broke out in one of the camps, which is close to the railway bridge. What happened was there was a cylinder that is said to have burst. Why did that happen? That has yet to be determined, but there were 2 other cylinders that were kept nearby. All of them eventually caught fire. My colleague Rishabh joins us for more.
to ensure that the fire is doused. I'll ask my camera person to keep moving with me as we go and give you a closer look here and try and understand how things are. You can see the fire has been doused here. That we can confirm. The fire services. You can see that, as of now, the fire has been doused. And let me go in the area. Given that, the fire has been doused, we'll take the viewers closer to the fire site as well. And we'll try and speak to the authorities as well here to give you a clear picture of how things are. You can see the cooling process still happening. The NDRF still trying to ensure that there is nothing that is left that can re-establish the fire here, and you can see we are giving you a 360-degree view of the fire site right now. So you can see, this is how all the orange dresses are NDRF, and you can see the UP Fire Services as well working here. And these are the areas. We'll take you to the focal point where the fire took place as well, and we'll try and move toward that area as well to show you that where exactly the fire happened. Let me just walk toward that area to show you that where the fire began. Sir, tell me something. What exactly were the figures of people here?
First and foremost, that we got information around 4 o'clock that a cylinder has burst. When we got the information about the cylinder has burst, the Uttar Pradesh Police and Uttar Pradesh Fire Services and Emergency Services immediately responded. And within minutes, the entire force was here. And the first thing that we did was we evacuate the entire premises. After evacuating the premises, we ensured that the fire does not spread. The Swayamsevi Sansthan here, the not-for-profit organizations and all, they all cooperated with us. So within minutes, the fire was controlled. There is no news of any casualty of any kind, and the fire is totally under control. Now we are in the rehabilitation phase and the relief phase. We are going to ensure that all the people who have been displaced from here get a proper resettlement as soon as possible.
You heard it here. We were talking to the IGA, Bhanu Bhaskar, ADG Bhanu Bhaskar here from Uttar Pradesh Police. Let me try and go further and show you what the situation is right now. Priya, we are in the mid of the area where the fire took place. You can see on your screens right now, my camera person Yogesh is showing you the area where the fire took place. This is the area from where the fire began, for that matter. If we can show it to our viewers, from this side, if you can see the fire tender in your frame right now, that was the area from where the initial fire began, and then it spread in this area. We just spoke to ADG right now of UP Police, and he confirmed to us that there is no casualty that has been reported, and right now rehabilitation is going on. This in Mahakumbh, in Prayagraj, where this has taken place. This is Sector 19, we are given to understand, and Gorakhpur Gita Press area, where the population, how much was there in the affected camp is yet not ascertained, given that it is a floating population and it keeps changing every minute. But now what you're seeing on your screens right now is the remains after the fire. Over to you.
All right, quite a commendable job being done by the officers on the ground there. Remember, it is a mammoth congregation. The kind of effort it takes to ensure that everything goes smoothly is beyond imagination in that context. Look at the visuals on your screen, the two windows. They clearly show how effective the officials have been on the ground. Just to recount the sequence of event for our viewers, it is a tent which is said to have belonged to the Gita Press, which according to one of the officials who spoke to Times Now said could have had 30 to 40 people inside at that time when the information was received by the officials that a fire had broken out, which was caused by one of the cylinders initially exploding and the other two that were kept next to it catching a fire eventually. Now we've got a reaction coming in from the district magistrate as well. We have heard the cops saying that rumors should not be spread, but listen in to how people who were present there when the fire broke out reacted to it.
किस आग लगी और आपको कितनी देर के बाद ये जानकारी हुई?
तो बस तुरंत ही आग पकड़ लिया, सिलेंडर फटा और आग पकड़ लिया तो पता चला कि आग लग गई पूरे तंबुओं में।
हाँ।
तेल घी रखा हुआ था सब और नीचे वो घास बिछाया होता है तो आग पकड़ लिया जल्दी से।
फिर किस तरीके से भागना पड़ा आप लोगों को?
बस वहीं से भागे और एक दूसरे को मदद करके तंबू में से सब सामान बाहर निकालने लगे। जितना निकला उतना निकाला, बाकी सब जल गया।
हाँ। कहाँ से महाराज जी आप आए हैं और कितना कुछ सामान?
हम गुजरात से आए, जुना अखाड़े से, देवगिरी हमारा नाम है।
अच्छा, कितने लोग लगभग महाराज जी वहाँ पर होंगे जहाँ पे आग लगी थी?
बहुत ही छोटे लोग, गिन नहीं सकते आदमियों को, इतने सारे तंबू है, बहुत सारे महात्मा है।
कितनी देर से लगी हुई थी आग और
कम से कम 1 घंटे से चालू है आग। अब प्रशासन काम में लग गई है।
क्या सिलेंडर वगैरह भी फटने की आवाज है?
सिलेंडर फटे थे उधर।
अच्छा,
ये नमो नारायण।
महाराज जी किस तरीके से आग लगी?
Right, you saw the saint there. Remember, the cops had said that their priority was also evacuation. The first thing that they ensured after the flames were controlled was that everybody was taken out of the harm's way. We've got the DM also speaking to us. Listen in.
आज कुंभ क्षेत्र में सेक्टर 19 में गीता प्रेस में आग लगने की सूचना मिली थी और तत्काल अग्निशमन की टीम, पुलिस की टीम, प्रशासन की टीम मौके पे पहुंची। गीता प्रेस में लगी आग को और उसके बगल में प्रयागवाल के 10 टेंट में आग लगी थी, उसको बुझा लिया गया। कहीं किसी प्रकार की जनहानि की सूचना नहीं है, स्थिति सामान्य है। सभी अन्य शिविरों में सभी अन्य संतगण, सभी श्रद्धालुगण आराम से हैं और कुंभ क्षेत्र में विचरण कर रहे हैं। तो किसी प्रकार की कोई यहाँ पे स्थिति सामान्य है, कोई असामान्य स्थिति नहीं है।
Rishabh, we also know that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has taken stock of the situation. First, we've got some reactions also coming in from various sources, from people who were there on the ground. Listen into the eyewitnesses first.
सब लोग मिल के बुझाए और अलग अलग बुझाए। यहाँ पे सर 2-3 तो सिलेंडर ज्यादा ब्लास्टिंग बहुत तेजी से हुई है। अभी की क्या स्थिति? सर अभी तो सर आग पे काबू पाया गया है। जी सर। नहीं सर, ऐसा सर कोई सुनने में नहीं आया। सब हम लोग तो भी देख रहे हैं, ऐसा कोई मैटर नहीं हुआ है। आप क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? सर हम लोग ये बुझा रहे हैं साथ में सब। सर दीपक यादव।
Right, Rishabh, you spoke to one of the top cops who was present on the ground. He said that people should not believe in rumors. Do you know of any misinformation that is being spread? We can also help make our viewers aware of those.
Well, as of now, when we spoke to ADG Bhanu Prakash of UP Police, what we are given to understand that there is, no casualty and the fire was doused very quickly. And around 4 o'clock, they received the, information from the local, and the first thing they did was to cordon off this area. Last week, I proposed to keep showing the visuals. Visuals are the key. Again, here, this is a tragic incident that has taken place in Kumbh, and this was a Gita Press camp that has been set up here, and the way this area now has been, was all in flames, and now what you're seeing on your screen is just remains here. The NDRF, the UP Police, the Rapid Action Forces, they all ensured that this happens as soon as possible, and to ensure that they douse down the fire in time. And that's the reason that you see the senior officials here. About 20 fire tenders are on spot. Equal number of ambulances have been brought. As of now, no casualty has been reported, is what all the senior officials are saying here, and we'll have to wait for the number of injured as well. As of now, no such figure has been given. Right now, what you're seeing on screen is right now, it's the cooling off period is how it's called in fire services. They're ensuring that even the little flames are cooled down, and so that no fresh fire takes place. And NDRF is trying to unearth any anything, any sheet, any wrapper, any sheet, to ensure that A, no one is trapped inside, B, there is no fire that can further aggravate the situation. situation here. So you can see right now that all the services, be it the UP Fire Services, be it the NDRF, be it the UP Police or the Rapid Action Forces, they all, along with senior officials, are on site, and in no time the fire has been doused. You can see that the area surrounding this camp has not been affected. Also, to add to it, what we are given to understand that there were explosions in cylinders. Two of them, the Times Now crew heard themselves happening here at the location.
ना करे, सही चीज लोगों में प्रसारित हो, इसमें कोई जनहानि रिपोर्टेड नहीं है और आग कंट्रोल में है।
सर, कारण क्या था आग लगने का?
अब ये सारी डिटेल तो जांच का विषय है। अभी पहला जो हम लोग का एम है वो आग पहले काबू पा ली जाए, उसके बाद उसका अवलोकन करेंगे।
कितनी टेंट इससे प्रभावित हुई है क्या?
ये सारी चीजें बाद में हम पता करेंगे। अभी केवल यही है, हम लोगों के यूपी पुलिस के करीब 12 से 15 जो फायर ब्रिगेड थी वो मौके पे पहुंची और उन्होंने आग पे काबू पा लिया है और अभी तक कोई जनहानि रिपोर्टेड नहीं है। टेंट्स जले हैं, कुछ सामान जला है, वो हम आपको सर्वे करके बता देंगे।
Rishabh, do we also know anything about whether Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be visiting this area?
Well, Yogi Adityanath Priya is in this area. He's definitely in Kumbh Mahakshetra since morning. But as of now, no news visiting this area. This is still fragile. Is what authorities even now tell us. While we are reporting from here, we have been asked to at utmost precautions before going on, stepping on anything right now here. So the Chief Minister is definitely in the vicinity. Whether he'll come here, as of now, we cannot confirm. To our viewers, we'll have to wait on the front.
Right.
I'll ask my camera person to keep showing you the area.
Right. The word right now is there is no need to panic. The flames have been controlled. The evacuation and rehabilitation process is currently underway. There is also scanning being done of the area to find out if there is anything of concern that might have become a victim to this fire that was caused by explosion of a cylinder. But one thing is very significant. Remember, this is a massive gathering with thousands of people around. One piece of misinformation can lead to bigger troubles, which is why you hear every single official who comes on camera saying, please do not spread any rumors. Please do not panic. Be very careful. Everything is under control. Time for us to take a very quick break. We'll keep updating you on the details.